Thanks for all the support. Shit happens for a reason.
Unfortunately, CV1 is out of the game. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. We are back with the Honda Accord stock wheels. If you're wondering why, we got some unfortunate news. We'll give you guys a full rundown once we pull up with the boy Johnson. But if you guys are new to the channel, tune in, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's get straight to it. All right, brother, talk to them.
Unfortunate news.
Unfortunate news. I was telling the people we are going to be slapping these stocks back on to the actual Accord. We'll give you guys the full details once we pull up to the shop. You guys will probably be able to tell by the thumbnail, but y'all stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
We got some updates for you guys, I would say. Minivan loaded. You're trading the Honda Accord stocks for the R6.
Imagine.
But yeah, next up, the shop. This guy got his hands dirty, finally. For once. First time. So just pulled up to the shop. I'm gonna give you guys the full details and everything and go from there. So we are here at the shop. Some words to the people that have supported the channel, the build.
Thanks for all the support. Shit happens for a reason.
Shit happens for a reason, but you know, unfortunately, CV1 is out of the game officially. But you know, we say everything happens for a reason. Johnson's good. That's the important part. A couple, you know, bruises and stuff, but nothing crazy. But I mean, I'll let you guys take it in. So you guys see it, front end did manage to clip the A-pillar and the cracked windshield. Oh, the door? What happened to the door? Oh, damn. Yeah, that's just not lining up. The most important part. If you guys can pick it, oh yeah, you guys can pick it up. But car was vandalized prior to this. What's left of it? Dang. Airbags deployed. Surprised the side curtains didn't deploy, but what's left of the front bumper? Man, it's crazy though, because this build was, the chapstick still works. That's the important part. But it's crazy, man. The build was coming along. The love was there. The support was there. We had just slammed it in the rear. But big things coming. Big things coming.
That's good.
It is unfortunate, you know. But better safe than.
Rims look good though, right?
Rims look chill. They are a bit dirty. Probably gonna clean them off, take them off. So yeah, that was the main reason that we got these stockies. We're gonna be throwing the stockies back on because car is basically gonna get claimed for insurance. That being said, they might go on a future build. They might just be, you know, room ornaments or something, or they might get sold. We don't know. I mean, it is what it is, right, bro? But I think the important thing is the memory that's gonna stick with it. You know, he actually got to build the car. He got to enjoy it. What's next for the boy? What's next for the boy? Something big. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Tuner. But big things. We gonna basically swap the wheels out, and then he'll give you some motivational words. You know, keep your head up, keep pushing. Don't let this downfall be the end of you. You know, bounce back gonna be crazy. But I mean, on the positive side, hit us up if you need a mint condition hood. Both headlights, 0 miles. They were perfect miles. If you need an intercooler, let us know. If you want to upgrade your stock one for another stock one, keep us posted. You know, in times like these, you got to keep a positive mindset. But it's crazy to see this, man. The build was coming along. Man, it's crazy to see this, though. The Nismos. For sale, brother. Tap in, tap in, tap in.
We should stay on with the fucking...
Man, hey, you can hang these on your wall, and these will be memories, bro. Not gonna lie. This guy got the whole trunk. But I mean, it serves a purpose. Memory, I guess. I don't know. Taillights are gone. Spats are gone. Oh, the reflectors too. Damn, he for surely got you, bro. They good?
Yeah.
You should for surely sell those. If y'all trying to tap in, tap in.
Scratch.
That's good. Nothing crazy though. I'm gonna slap this on the minivan.
Got a little back.
We're gonna jump straight into it. Get the jack, toss these off, put the stockies, and go from there. So we're gonna grab these stockies, slap them on, get to work. Let's get it. Yeah, that's good. Put them in the middle section for now. Tail lights for sale. Tail lights for sale. OEMs for. We got it all. Send it, brother. Send it. I'm telling you, brother. guy. Talk to the people, man.
Rip. Man.
Rip.
Lessons learned.
Lessons learned, man.
Something.
It's a life lesson, I'll say. You learn from it. You learn from it.
Shit happens for a reason.
But let's toss these Nismos off. Slap these on. I'm telling y'all, these on the minivan would go crazy.
You think it'll be quick?
Yeah.
Easy to think.
Rock right there. One lug nut off though. This boy's gonna have to keep these for memory or something, but. Alright y'all, first Nismo's off. First person to come pick it up can have it. Damn, that's crazy, man. Alright. Time for the. Yeah, this shit's from the bowl. Yeah, this boy brought some. He's taking some memories with him. That's about an inch. Watch out the wheel.
He doesn't want to leave.
He doesn't want to leave you, brother. He doesn't want to leave your side. He said, why'd you do this to me? Alright, so we're trying to take as much as we can. Spacers coming home with us too. Now we throw the mint condition, pristine, 10 out of 10, never used, dead stock Accord stockies.
A band.
Man, cash us out right now. If you're watching this, what did you do to your rims? Cooked. Let me get this shit up so now we need the wheel lock. Where is it? Johnson, that rear one is different, huh? Yeah. Hi, John G.
Alright, Georgie.
At least you got some spacers out of it. Anyone need spacers? Tap in. But homie was talking to us. This thing is worse than I imagined. So you guys can see the transmission cracked. You can see the valve bodies for the extra transmission right there. Subframe got pushed in. It's worse than I thought. Dang, it's just a mess down there. This was crazy. This really took the impact right here, the transmission. That oil pan for the transmission is gone. Exhaust crumpled in. Oh man. Yeah, it's the more you look, the worse it gets. God. So rear. God damn, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that got clipped as well. Boy Johnson, it looks worse than we imagined. But driver's side Nismos are off. Time to take the passenger sides off and pretty much haul it. But that's insane. This thing really took a whole impact, front and rear. That's crazy, bro.
Push it a little bit.
Alright, so Johnson was wondering where his front lip went.
I think we found it.
I think we found part of it, bro.
A la verga!
You can definitely hang this on your wall, bro. That shit is good.
Hey, blessed to be alive.
That's all we gotta say. But all stockies are on. All we gotta do is just lower it. Those Nismos over there look pretty nice, though. Not gonna lie. Alright, you guys see it back to its original state. Stockies are on, clearing out everything and anything that has value. We're gonna leave that front bumper for memory. That fog light, you could probably keep that fog light.
You think so?
Probably, but we're gonna try to bend that back in place and it should be good to ride. That boy. But you guys see it on the stockies, literally just taking everything out, man. Craziest part is how that damage got literally to the back. Like, it's insane. I don't know if you guys can see that. Literally just ripped from the rear. But all in all, end of an era. Only thing left is we're gonna be taking off the banners and off she goes.
And off she goes.
All in all though, the Nismos are pretty much good. I think there's only one that took the most damage. But it got like a scuff on the corner. I think it's the rear one. This one got a whole wedge of metal strapped into it.
Alex say he don't think it should go. It should go deep.
Didn't they go deep? I know there's a scuff mark somewhere. We'll find it. But overall, I mean, Johnson's alive. The Nismos are alive.
For sure.
Now I think the only thing we're waiting on is the boy Henry to pull up, and we're gonna take off the front banner, rear banner, just to clean it, you know. But it was a good run. Big things coming for the boy. Y'all stay tuned. He worked hard for this banner, so you know, thank you guys for showing love with the build. Who knows, we might even pick up another one and continue the build. Unas palabras para el tuner. Brother, it is cooked. Dunzo. We got the stock taillights, but I told him, light little just fender pull and we should be good to go. A new bumper and we're straight. Front end delete. Freak it. I'm telling you, drift build now. 100%. All right, brother. The end to a build, but you know, new beginnings coming soon. It hurts to see it, man, but with time, the new build will come. That's pretty much it, you guys. The end to an era on this CV1 build. Y'all stay tuned for what's to come, though. But that's pretty much it, you guys. One last goodbye to the car. But more videos to come, guarantee, you know, and whatever's to come. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all keep it authentic. Till the next one. Peace.